Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to blur background on any photo using trending Lensa app on your iPhone or Android devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first you can open up App Store and then search for Lensa in that way. And here you're gonna upload and install that app. Here it is. You can tap right there. If that button says Get, you can tap on it and install the app. Once the app is installed, you can open it, and right here add photos, you can hit at that big plus sign that opens up your camera roll, and from here you can add any photo. I'll just pick that one because that photo is quite bad quality, and I'll show you how you can easily blur that background and retouch that photo at the same time. So at the first screen we got that magic retouch option. We can just tap on that, and as you can see, photo becomes much better. And right here at the very top you can find this blur background feature. Let me zoom a picture for a bit, and as you can see, the background is blurred already. The default, the original picture looks like that, so there wasn't any blur effect at original picture, and the magic retouch feature makes this photo looks like that. But if you want, you can increase blur background effect just by dragging it to the left or to the right. So I'll just left it in that way, and then I can hit right here at backdrop, and on that step I can scroll down for a bit, and now I can change focus size. That also adds and removes blur effect at the background. And also right here I can add some bokeh effect in that way. And also I can change the intensity of that light bubbles. So I'll keep it right in that way. Now I can scroll down here for a bit, and I can change the color of bokeh, and also in the same simple way I can change the background for that photo. So I can just select that one, or I can hit right here at plus sign that opens up my camera roll. I can pick any photo from my camera roll and place it on the background for original photo. So once you are happy with the result, you can hit right here at save, and on that step Lensa asks me to get access to my photos because I'm doing this first time. I'm gonna hit at OK, and the picture has just been saved to my recents in that simple way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist, where you will find a lot of useful videos. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.